In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in ClickUp. If you want ClickUp's interface to match the language you're most comfortable with, the setting is quick to find and easy to change. Start by signing in to your ClickUp workspace on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. In the menu that opens, choose Settings. This will take you to your personal preferences, where you control how ClickUp looks and behaves for your account. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Language and Region. This is where ClickUp groups options that affect display language, date formats, and other regional details. Click into the Language option and select the language you want from the list. As soon as you make a selection, ClickUp will automatically reload. That reload is normal. It's how the app applies your new language across menus, buttons, tooltips, and most system messages. Give it a moment to finish. When the dashboard comes back, you should see the interface in your chosen language. A few helpful notes as you do this. The language setting is personal to your account, so changing it won't affect anyone else in your workspace. It also won't translate the actual content your team has written in tasks or documents. It only changes the application's interface and system-generated text. If the page doesn't seem to update after a short pause, try a quick browser refresh to nudge the change into place. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to the same language and region section and pick another option. While you're already in language and region, this is also the perfect time to confirm your time zone. Selecting the correct time zone ensures that due dates, reminders, and calendar events show at the right local time for you. This is especially useful if you collaborate across regions or travel frequently. Choose your time zone from the list, and ClickUp will align all time-based items accordingly. That's really all there is to it.